Kind of cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
You gotta wonder what they're doing.
Ain't like part of migration. Usually they don't do that. The geese will do that up in the air. They'll gather like that, and then all of a sudden they'll take off flying towards the south. It's kind of early for that.
Yeah, for that it is.
I don't think that's geese. That's not geese, though.
They're pretty big birds, whatever they are.
I like cleaning Cindy's car out. I find money.
We said that right then, cleaning out the car.
I told you, boy. Yeah, I saw him coming. I said, I'm not dealing with this shit.
Honey, I'm video.